Hi everybody. I wanted to share with you a different kind of s'mores. Now, you know when you make s'mores, you always go out and you use your chocolate and your marshmallows and your graham crackers. Okay, so I never have like graham crackers. I just don't know why, I just don't. But anyway, so here's how I make mine, and they're so good. And you don't need a fire outside to do it. I take a Ritz cracker, so good. Sometimes I melt a piece of chocolate on it. Sometimes I don't. It's actually, I think, better if you don't, because you can taste it better and longer. Instead of putting a marshmallow on it, I put marshmallow cream.
Lazarus is more than a place, it is an idea. It is a world within a world.
Just like that.
I know you want your freedom and you have to understand freedom.
So good. Now,
Freedom.
sometimes I'll add a little bit of peanut butter.
Of course you're free to go.
Peanut butter. And I'll do the s'mores like this. Peanut butter on Ritz, chocolate, marshmallow. Put it together. Oh my gosh, this is so good. You heat it, melt the chocolate, but I think it tastes better when it's not melted because it is, it lasts longer. When it's melted, it just goes away real fast. But anyway, there you go, s'more. No fire outside. No cooking the marshmallows. Nobody's getting burnt there. Every time I try making s'mores outside on campfire, I get the marshmallow too hot and I burn it inside my mouth. No more of that. This is awesome. Now, here's what you need. You need Ritz crackers. And the Ritz crackers really give it a good taste. You could use graham crackers if you want to. Graham crackers would work just good. I just don't like it. Okay. Peanut butter. I love this peanut butter. And it's so natural. All it's got in it is peanuts. Nothing else. Marshmallow cream. And a piece of chocolate. Any chocolate would do. I like the dark chocolate. Put it together. And there you are. And the kiddos will love it. Talk about good with a cup of hot coffee. Oh my God. Hot chocolate is even better. So anyway, I hope you try. This is what I call my surprise s'mores because it is a little bit different because it doesn't have graham crackers and it doesn't have a marshmallow. It has marshmallow cream. Anyway, it's just a surprise element to you. And I know that you will like it. And I know that your kiddos will like it. And I know that your company will like it. And it sure beats making a big pie if you want one simple bite of something sweet. Or a whole cake if you want one bite. This will take the edge right off your sweet tooth. Anyway, make you some. Try it. I hope you like this video. I hope you'll subscribe to it. And above all, I hope you'll leave me a comment because then I know if you tried it and if you liked it. My goal is to bring you some simple, inexpensive recipes, something that you will want to make over and over, something that your kids will ask for, and something that you won't feel bad because you'll know it's all natural and good as much as possible. And because I tell you, on some of this stuff, you don't know what you're eating. So that's why I keep it as simple as possible. And on this too, you can just kind of determine how much you want of everything. I go more peanut butter because it's a little bit better for you. So it adds a little bit more protein to it. Anyway, I hope you'll like this. I hope you'll subscribe. And above all, I hope you'll leave me a comment. And I hope you'll share it with your friends. And I just love bringing you recipes. I really do. So I hope that you will give me some encouragement so that I will keep bringing them to you. Let me know you're there, and I'll be here. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. And you have a blessed day, okay? I'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.